Introduction into Forex trading. How much money can you make with trading? While the answer to that question varies depending on the variety of factors such as market conditions, your strategy, the risk and management, we can explore some scenarios to get an idea of what is possible. Is it easy to learn trade? There are two answers to the question. Answer 1, yes. Learning how to trade is extremely easy. You click buy if you believe the market price will rise, or you click sell when you think the market will fall. The second answer, yes. Learning how to trade is extremely easy, but making consistent profits is a big challenge. There's a common misconception that trading is only for the ultra rich or exceptionally intelligent individuals, but that's not simply true. Everyone can trade. Trading is a skill, much like playing chess or learning a new language, and anyone can learn it with enough time and practice. Your age, your background, education, and your current financial situation does not matter. What matters, regardless of
is
our current circumstances, the
understanding
path
what
to
I'm about to
consistent
teach you right now.
profitability starts with learning the fundamentals, developing a solid trading plan, and applying basic risk management principles. Next topic, the time sessions. Timing is everything in trading, and knowing the most profitable times to enter a market can be a key factor in your trading results. In this lesson, we'll guide you through the best times to trade each asset class. These insights will help you make informed decisions to maximize profit and minimize risk. There is a specific period widely regarded as a prime time for trading or assets. In short, that is when there is the most activity in the market, with traders from around the world participating in the buzz. Now let's get into specific market opening and closing times for each asset class. The flexibility of forex trading is a significant advantage, allowing you to access the market from anywhere in the world on weekdays. For those unable to trade during the London-New York overlap, off-peak hours can still offer some advantages. During trading, okay, the Asian session can be beneficial if you trade the yen or other Asian currencies, and major news releases outside of peak trading hours can create big moves despite lower market activity. These are the time frames where you can trade stocks and indices, meaning you can buy and sell stocks and indices only during these hours. Crypto. Crypto assets have no limitations. You can buy and sell anytime you want. These are the time frames where you can trade commodities in the market. As a
When not
beginner,
to
it's
trade.
advisable to avoid periods of low liquidity, such as Friday afternoons and holidays, and major events like Christmas or prime time TV events. It's also important to remember that major economic reports or news releases can cause significant volatility and unpredictability in the market. However, if you feel ready to trade during peak times and big price moves, it's crucial to be mindful of your emotional and mental state when trading. Emotions such as anger, frustration, or exhaustion can negatively impact your decision making and lead to poor results. Therefore, it's essential to avoid trading when you are feeling emotional. Forex, also known as foreign exchange. The foreign exchange market determines the relative values of different currencies. The price of a currency is actually reflected of what the market thinks about the current and future conditions of a country's economy compared to other economies. When you buy United States dollars with British pounds, You are in fact buying shares of the US economy, expecting the US economy to outperform the UK economy. Currency pairs are divided into major, crosses, and exotics. Majors represent developed economies and are highly liquid with low spreads. They are stable and predictable in relation to other asset classes, such as small cap equities and stocks. Crosses do not include the US dollar in their currency pair and are ideal for diversification. Crosses include GBP, GPY, Euro GBP, Canadian dollar, etc. Popular exotics. How to read quote Euro USD. The euro is the base, USD is the quote. Currency pair quotes may seem confusing at first, but reading them is actually pretty straightforward. An example above: Euro USD quote of 1.2302 shows how much the Euro USD is worth in dollars. This means that 1 euro is worth it. The base currency is always the first one listed in the pairing. PIP, price interest point, represents the smallest change in a currency pair. Typically, is the fourth decimal point, although many brokers quote using the fifth decimal. However, the fifth decimal doesn't really affect the price as it changes really quickly. Example of what influence the currency rates. Leverage, the golden tool. Through the use of leverage, you can invest a small amount of money while trading larger positions through a loan from your broker. When the trade closes, your broker deposits the money into his account. All processes are made automatically through the trading platform. Leverage is presented in the form of a multiplier that shows how much larger the open position is against the margin when it is opened. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Part 2 is coming out.